You built your Fiverr gig and you spent hours on it. You looked at the top sellers, you copied their style, you stuffed your title with every keyword you could think of, you set your prices low, and now nothing. Crickets. Your impressions are flat, you have 0 clicks and 0 sales. Here's the mistake you're making. You think Fiverr is a directory where you can just post a service. It's not. It's a cutthroat search engine, and you're playing the game completely wrong. Frankly, you're not just invisible. You're actively telling the Fiverr algorithm to ignore you. But what if I told you there's a simple, logical system to optimize your gig? A playbook that tells the algorithm exactly what you do, who it's for, and why it should rank you on page 1. This isn't about hacks. It's about understanding how the machine actually thinks. So let's break down the right way to get your gigs seen. And just a heads up, if you're new to Fiverr and haven't signed up to be a seller yet, my affiliate link is in the description. It costs you nothing, but it helps support this channel. It's a simple way to say thanks for the value. Let's get into it. This is the mistake that 99% of new sellers make. It's called keyword stuffing. You write a title that looks like this: I will do logo design, graphic design, brand identity, and business cards. You think by adding more keywords, you show up in more searches. Here's the hard truth, and you need to accept it. You're doing the exact opposite. Fiverr's algorithm, just like Google's, sees this as spam. It can't figure out what your gig is specifically about. Are you a logo designer? Are you a business card designer? By trying to be everything, you end up ranking for nothing. Your gig has no focus. The algorithm sees this, sees that no one is clicking on your confusing, desperate title, and it buries your gig on page 50. You will never be found. The wrong way is to be a generalist. The right way is to be a hyper-specific specialist. This is the 3-step system that top-rated sellers understand. Step 1. Win the impression with a hyper-specific title. This is the most important piece of SEO on the entire platform. You must follow the 1 gig, 1 service rule. Your title is not a list. It's a specific searchable phrase. Not, I will write SEO articles, blog posts, and website content, but I will write SEO optimized articles for tech blogs. Not, I will do graphic design, but I will design a modern minimalist logo in 24 hours. The logic is simple. This gives you 1 money keyword phrase. When a buyer searches for that exact phrase, Fiverr's algorithm matches your gig with a perfect relevance. It knows exactly who to show your gig to. When you first create a gig, this title will also generate your gig URL. That URL is permanent. A specific URL is a powerful, permanent SEO asset. A spammy one is a permanent liability. This is the foundation for everything. Step 2. Win the click with your thumbnail. Okay, your specific title got you on the page. Now you're listed next to 20 other sellers. How do you get the buyer to click on your gig? This is your click-through rate, or CTR. It's the second most important metric for ranking. Your gig thumbnail is not a portfolio, it's an advertisement. So stop making these mistakes. Stop putting 8 blurry examples of your work into 1 tiny image. Stop using fancy, unreadable script fonts. Stop using low contrast colors. The wrong way is to make a thumbnail that you think looks pretty. The right way is to make a thumbnail that is simple, high contrast, and can be understood in half a second. Look at the top sellers. What do? A clean, professional photo of their smiling face and a huge, bold headline with 3 to 5 words. That's it. A specific title gets you the impression. A bold thumbnail wins you the click. A high CTR tells the algorithm that your gig is desirable, and the algorithm will reward you with a higher ranking. Step 3. Win the sale with conversion. This is the final step, and it's the one that Fiverr's algorithm cares about the most, the conversion rate. The logic is brutally simple. Fiverr only makes money when you make money. Therefore, the algorithm is programmed to aggressively promote the gigs that are most likely to result in a sale. Your gig description, your FAQ, and your pricing packages are not for the algorithm. They are for the human. Their only job is to convert, so stop writing a lazy 1-paragraph description. Use clear, scannable bullet points. Talk about the benefits for the buyer, not just the features you offer. Use the FAQ section to answer every single question a buyer might have before they ask it. And most importantly, you must use all 3 pricing packages: basic, standard, and premium. This is non-negotiable. It's a classic sales tactic called price anchoring. The basic package makes the standard package look like a great deal. This simple change will dramatically increase your conversion rate. When the algorithm sees your gig is converting clicks into cash, it tags you as a proven winner. It'll send you more traffic, which leads to more sales, which leads to more traffic. That is how you rank. So let's recap the system. Stop keyword stuffing, stop making lazy thumbnails, stop using a single price. The wrong way is to hope you get found. The right way is to build a system that forces the algorithm to find you. 1. A hyper-specific title that wins the search. 2. A simple bold thumbnail that wins the click. And 3. A persuasive gig page with 3 packages that wins the sale. That's the entire game. Impressions lead to clicks, clicks lead to conversions, and conversions tell the algorithm to send you more impressions. That is how you build a real sustainable business on Fiverr. If you're ready to start selling, my link is in the description. Now go build a better gig.